Hey, it's Sean. I'm here with the SD-700 sniper rifle. It is a very good gun. It has a metal barrel and rail, and then a metal rubber rail down there, and then it's bolt action like every other sniper. Safety and, unsafety. And then the mag release right there, that button, and then mag.
Show the button again.
Right there.
It is the button.
And then it has the button. Okay, you can go off the button.
Alright.
Okay. And then it has two sling mounts.
Oh
God. Almost forgot. Yeah. And this gun is actually for sale. We are selling it for $100. I have 4 mags. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a speed loader. Yeah. If you want me to ship it to you, you have to pay for shipping and stuff. But yeah, so.
Or they can pick it up.
Yeah, or you can pick it up if you live in Florida, but if not, that sucks. So yeah. Bye bye. Please subscribe.